7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Ha! Found ya.
Okay, Dex.
You found us fair and square.
Ha!
Hi.
Aw, trucks.
Nice try, Hosehead. But when Dex the Seeker starts to ride, he'll find you any place you hide.
Dex will never find us here. What do you think?
I think you're right, Scooty.
And I think you need to find a better hiding place.
Dex!
The one and only. Consider yourself found.
Boy, Dex sure is good at ride and go seek.
Good, yeah, but not the best. He still hasn't found Gorby. Might as well admit it. Gorby's just too good of a hider for you.
All right, fine, I admit it. Oily axle free.
Ha ha! Sorry, Dex. Looks like I'm still the ride and go seek champ.
Awesome, Gorby. You always find the best places to hide.
Terrific!
Lois and I played ride and seek once.
Took him an hour to find me, even though I was standing right next to him.
Well, I didn't recognize you. Your mouth wasn't moving. She does love to gab, you know.
What's the matter, Gorby?
I don't know. I guess all that laughing gave me the hiccups.
Oh, it happens, sugar. Sometimes a little gas goes down the wrong pipe.
Yep. Or you fill up your tank too fast.
But don't you worry none. Hiccups don't last long, and they won't keep you from doing all the fun things you like to do.
Unless you're trying to hide from Dex at Ride and Go Seek.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Did I just hear somebody challenge me to another game of Ride and Go Seek? For the championship?
No, Dex, you didn't. That wouldn't be fair.
Right. Not while I got the hiccups.
It's not my fault if you just happen to have the hiccups. Which would make it super easy for me to just happen to find you, no matter where you hide. I dare you to accept the challenge.
Sorry, Dex. No way. Not until I get rid of these hiccups.
Then I double axle dare you.
Okay, Dex, fine. I accept.
Good. Meet you here in the truck yard right after lunch.
Don't worry, Gorb. We'll help you get rid of those hiccups.
Are you sure this is gonna work?
Positive. The upside-down bucket gulp is a surefire way to get rid of hiccups.
Okay, Finley. If you say so. I'm thirsty anyhow.
Well?
I think maybe.
Oh no, it's worse.
Looks like the idea I thought was surefire turned out to be more of a backfire. Come on, Gorb. Let's go find Miguel. I bet you he'll know what to do.
You've come to the right place. As a postal truck, I've had to deal with rain, sleet, snow, and yes, even hiccups. The cure is simple. All you have to do is hold your breath.
For how long?
Until I say stop. Now, on the count of 3. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Okay. Good. That's enough. I think he's turning blue.
He's always blue.
Gorby? Gorby, you can stop!
Well, you said to wait until you said stop.
Hey, I think it worked. You got rid of your...
Oh, no.
Have no fear, Isabel's here. Follow me, Gorby. I've got a super-duper absoluter cure for the hiccups.
Tow truck, boat truck, deep by mow truck. Tow truck, boat truck, deep by mow truck. Oh, it didn't work. And now I'm dizzy and I still got the hiccups.
Now that I think about it, that wasn't my hiccup cure at all. That was the way the handsome prince broke the witch's spell in the story of Snow White while on the 7 tow trucks.
What am I gonna do? It's almost time for the ride and go seek rematch. Oh, I give up. Nothing's gonna work.
Poor Gorby. If only there was some other way to help him.
There is. If you want to get rid of Gorby's hiccups, you're gonna have to scare them out of him.
What do you mean, Suds?
Well, a good scare puts a shock to the old system, like getting your battery jump-started. Knocks the hiccups right out of your chassis.
I got it! Scooty, you bring Gorby by the firehouse in 5 minutes. Isabel, DJ, you come with me to help me get ready. So, how do I look?
Super!
Yeah, just like a ghost. I get rid of the hiccups ghost to scare the hiccups out of Gorby. Get ready! I hear him coming! Okay, I'm gonna hide. When he gets here, I'll jump out and scare him.
Hi, DJ. Hi, Isabel. Where's Finley? Scooty told me he had a great idea to help me get rid of my hiccups.
Whoa, what's that? I'm a scary ghost! Ooh! Boo! Ah!
Oh, hi, Finley.
Gosh, Gorby, we were trying to scare the hiccups out of you.
Weren't you scared at all?
Nah.
Me neither. But how'd you know it was me?
Easy. You're the only ghost I know who has a dog on top of his cab. Thanks anyway, guys. But I might as well just throw in the oil rag and head over to the truck yard to face Dex.
Any last words before I become the new ride and seek champ? Spoken like a true loser. Now, let the games begin! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Revving or not, here I come. Found ya! Found ya, found ya, found ya. I'm the winner and you're the losers.
You haven't won yet, Dex. You still have to look for Gorby.
I don't have to look for him. All I have to do is listen for him. Ha! Gotcha! Now I really am the ride and go seek champ. I'm number one. I'm number one.
Gee, we're sorry, Gorby.
Yeah, we know how much this meant to you. But you gotta look at the bright side, Gorb.
Oh, what bright side?
Sud's advice worked after all. Dex scared the hiccups right out of you.
Hey, you're right. I lost my hiccups.
Big deal. What really matters is that you lost the game. Huh?
Looks like the wheel's on the other axle now, huh, Dex?
You laughed so hard, you got the hiccups.
You'll be champ again in no time, Gorby. Yeah, challenge him right now, Gorb. Double axle dare him.
Nah, I'd rather win fair and square.
Huh. Spoken like a true tirehead.
Course, as his pals, we really should help Dex get rid of his hiccups.
Yeah. Come on, everyone. Let's head over to the laundry room at the fire station.
The laundry room? What for?
We're gonna need a whole lot of sheets to be ghosts if we're gonna scare the hiccups out of Dex. Ooh. Boo!